In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a power-up from a board in Trello. If you're a Trello user, you already know how helpful power-ups can be for enhancing your workflow and adding extra functionality to your boards. However, there may come a time when you no longer need a specific power-up, or you want to free up space for a new one. Removing a power-up is simple, and in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly and efficiently. First, start by opening the Trello board where you want to remove the power-up. Make sure you're selecting the correct board, as power-ups are specific to individual boards and changes won't affect your other boards. Once your chosen board is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see a small rocket icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This rocket icon is where you'll access the power-up settings for your board. When you click the rocket icon, a menu will appear. In this menu, locate the section that's labeled Enabled Power-Ups. This is where you'll find a list of all the power-ups currently active on your board. Next, scroll through the list of active power-ups. Take your time to find the specific power-up you want to remove. If you have several power-ups enabled, you might need to scroll a bit to locate the one you're looking for. Once you've found the power-up you want to remove, look for a small settings button right next to it. This button is usually represented by an icon like a gear or 3 dots. Click on that settings button to open a small menu of options. From the menu that appears, select the Disable option. This will immediately deactivate the power-up from your board. Keep in mind that disabling a power-up won't delete any data it created, but its features will no longer be active. Finally, confirm that the power-up has been successfully removed by checking the list of enabled power-ups again. The power-up you disabled should no longer appear in the list. And that's it. You've successfully removed a power-up from your Trello board. If you don't already have a Trello account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.